Hello YouTube, my computer's not malfunctioning, so today I'm giving you a tutorial. How to take this Amazon heater and ramp up its power very effectively. Step 1. I'm not sure if anybody had a dollar store this summer, but they had these tiny little fans. Any desk fan will do, but you want to angle this buddy not directly against the back, but a little further back. Start them up, and I recommend raising this up. Once you get this going, this will be blowing out a little bit stronger than normal. And then we got this big boy right here, so we set this guy, and we wait for this to come to temperature. You want to make sure all the cables are out of the way, because last thing you want is your house catching fire while you sleep. Now that that's up to temperature, bring this up to full speed, starts to pull air from there. Now look at that. This video is shorter than all other videos, but yeah, enjoy that. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't know why I'm saying this. This video is way longer than it needs to be. So long.